Today, we're looking at practical tips to navigate uncertainty with confidence and calm and to not lose your peace in those times. Tip number 7, self-compassion. Whenever you speak to yourself, be kind. Tip number 8, reflect on your own strengths. Remember, you've been through difficult situations and focus on your strengths in this new time of uncertainty. Tip number 9, don't isolate yourself. Find friends that love you and draw from their energy. Tip number 10, embrace growth. Uncertain times are opportunities for you and me to grow. So look for those growth opportunities. Which one of these tips are you going to implement first? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, your better tomorrow starts today.